I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you're frustrated, if you need to make mid-six figures or over $1 million a year in sales to truly enjoy your life, click the link now. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the link now, you're going to see that you'll get access to an interactive sales coaching portal that's going to teach you everything you need to know to step by step take your income to the level that you need it to be. You're going to learn how to close. You're going to learn how to prospect. You're going to learn how to handle objections and complaints, network. Everything you need to know to make mid-six figures or over $1 million a year is in there. You're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. I'm going to be there with you every step of the way to answer any questions you have, handle any challenges you're facing. This is going to be your year. Click the link now. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and the income that you've always thought you could make is a lot closer than you think. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.